Kosua ne mako a geneshim aduane a Ghana for my engineer de aba one of the best food. Munya hu how important as aduane ne ye. Me kire wo video me like it. Me pa cho wo obi oye obolo person so te naturally. Ade ne video hwe ne yi na ote ase a wo betima ma so ate. Wo ye nipa fian person gain some little weight. Wo he video ye a wo betima yes ade no. Nnuane bi wo ye ka so me processed food, o me processed food, o me high glycemic foods. Odi ana am wa ye cheko no wa ye mere sugar. Kwan bens na ema ye mere. Metro video and a last na bonus kwan be na nyankopon ma ye nipadua nya energy and as a light all the time your light in muda na ECG for munya nsua mfim e bia mo he video na se de nyame ye na no metire mu ha mo be fa bibi afrim na aboa your light crisis na ekoso Ghana no ye ni nkomo media na Yeboah Agyakum Francis like video no me pa cho ofa me nipadua ya mete hoyi me nipadua ya me do yi de de mete ha e ye ade ye fa ni energy na ye nya ye energy free nnuane ndurom nnuane a ye di no emu na yenye ya hoɔden efiri nti se wodi banku a ye ka se ema carbohydrate onum kokwa ye se ema carbohydrate nti wasɔre ya wo kodwa so wo dware wo made wo ko school ko studio energy na etu mu na ma wotimi kɔ carbohydrate is the energy giving food ba ye nya nkyerɛ wo how energy ne ba mekyerɛ people acho ye protein so boa replenish ye nipadua ye te hɔ ye cells no kwa na mo kɔ ene boa ma ye nyini ne saa ne ma ne nyinaa ye wɔ hɔ ye wɔ fat ye wɔ vitamins ye wɔ nnuane niro a eboa ma ye kase eyeden omodo so pa me pa cho nnuane a wodi ko mu nyina onipadua ne calculation bi e friend calories enti se wodi banku one ball a nipadua ne calculate se 300 calories wodi bayire ba ko a onipadua ne wo se wo calculate no ena wodi bode ba ko a wodi kosua ba ko a wodi sugar atrema e wo se de nipadua ne calculate no onipadua activity a wo ye ne a day e kire calories a nipadua ne hia ne a day nti yɛmfa na sɛ onipadua ne hia 2000 calories sa ade eche na wokodi 5000 calories a nipadua ne yusu 2000 we na 3000 aka no ɔde bɛkɔ akosie ɛna ma obi gain weight nti sɛ wopɛ oso ete naturally a ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ calorie na wodi ne day no wote so wokɔ ba bi ɔmobɔ blocks a na tie ba baako na ya keka bom na le chabula sisa gum na ya ne pampane ya nya block baako nti na tie ba baako no ya ka sɛ ade ne yɛ cell and a blog back on your cassette a tissue. Yet the blog no kosi adware and a kosi kitchen. Your friend organ because adware a dware kitchen, ye aduane wo nti a specific thing. The cassette or your organ. You can't dware in the kitchen in bedroom, you know, boomer a fee, your friend organ system. And I say organism. To me too, me organism and yami comprising a 9 and sa and no ni bibia. You go back to the cell na me kan na wo cell the cell no kitikiti na wo mini padua mu ne dodo a wo me mu eye about 30 trillion you call it 30 trillion I mean how I may metre wa be hu say that a huge number we are seeing ni padua na we are seeing na 9 billion enti yandru 10 yandru 20 yandru 30 yandru 40 yandru 100 yandru 500 yandru 1000 po they are 1 2 trillion 4 trillion 30 trillion cells ni make Yeboah Agyakum Francis na the who woman say cells obia producing energy different enti yanka cell we na produce energy ma wo cell bia wade wo ma factory a battery factory a produce battery a power ni padua no in the form of ATP adenosine triphosphate enti the make say ECG for betima so afim ni say ye Ghana yeso ye wo amantam no bebre me pa chaw ade na yem wana mantan bia nya source electricity source say ye solar farm o say ye bibia at least kintampota chiman wentifo obia benya ne de nyame de o ye ne fie bia mu because cell bia won energy source the friend mitochondria. What mitochondria is? Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. But I don't want to how mitochondria ni na cells do me boy no e bia mitochondria more than bi okra po everyone. Na mitochondria do wo and no see a trillion. It in yami make sure say cells do wo mu mitochondria no dey aba on person we lose energy. Kwanya mitochondria na offer so or the energy no be real quick yanko. So far adenosine triphosphate, your adenosine, your sugar base your friend ribose. Na your phosphate group miensa triphosphate. Phosphate group miensa and phosphate here phosphorus, 1 atom of phosphorus plus 4 atoms of oxygen into a PO4. And na negative charge, 3 negative charge. So negative charge no and na mitochondria ni nyansem waka miensa bom. Why na triphosphate. Te say what magnet head and head nation no so more repel because of some negatively charged into push you against their selves the now for me somebody my experiment mo so mo nsa na we entwe ne yonko kwa na we entwe ne yonko a mo ba twea no be 2 hours 3 hours time mo be bre ba ko break off the break off no e de home bi ba mo mienu na maka no so na create some potential energy kwanya mitochondria we o use to create energy me ni padu friend ATP no phosphate bond na omo ho miensa na mo negative charge no omo repel each other na se ba ko break off na create energy and power na ye nipa bia na use nti odi banku a wakase sema de na mo matwoma na obabu obi no energy no ba bia efiri no efiri mitochondria mu sa adwuma na oye abuama yanya sa energy no de nti ahohe a me de analogy we nyina ba ye ne se so you obi a wo tie junk food or we biscuit na wo di toffee na wo di noodles na wo no soft drink carbonated drink na wo no de atie ne se sa mitochondria no betime di ne dwuma precursor nutrients a eboa no ba ko ye vitamin B1 the definite timing into onya timing na eboa no with other things ema o produce their ATP na energy na you produce yet me you see wow pe junk food kese no sugar metabolism so use vitamin B1 kro ya bi into this sugar now will be competing with your mitochondria for vitamin B1 so at the end of the day what you use vitamin B1 no and they are metabolizing with sugars so your body cannot produce enough energy anything that the enemy will do ya now why check won't me pon wa sorry about what I say enti ye ka se jaduane we dey na tie no because we hear energy dey your activity so we use vitamin B1 obi say nya bi wo cashew ni nyina vitamin B1 ni nnuan but any baby na to produce ni dey enti it's not about giving your body vitamin B1 but it's about conserving the vitamin B1 your body has produced by eliminating junk food na wo di no na woni baby na nko use anko break and anko metabolize sugars no but what must say na the enti am say kosua e very good ni say kosua so calories na mom around 73 carbs na kosua owo kosua in addition to calories and as fat na breakable calories no owo protein enti say me di kosua a complete meal manya me calories wonu manya me protein na boa replenish me nipadua no ama me vitamins vitamin B kosua bi di vitamin B7 the no biotin na eboa me 3 win fu kama ne nasefo no bi ti say choline wo kosua me eboa ye brain function wa adwinu betse kosua macronutrients no boa digestion wo other things e dey ka ho na gene na wo kosua mu no aye antioxidant kata ne wo nyina bom na dinya hwe ade solid complete meal a betina ho na de efeni kosua no because of say protein into ye nipadua no use more energy to break protein down te wo di kosua mienu a energy na ebe hia de break kosua ne down nti no nipadua no bekọ o fat cells no na wakoyi stored fat ni bi especially say aduane ni uyem a na wa break dia ATP so that be betima mama aduane na wadi na digest nti ye nipadua no use more of the energy created for digestion ti sa ni pakro no eba ne sa fat ni yekoyi fi ho e pipe mu to triglycerides ni glycerol no na wo sra de no salt adipose tissue no ba fom na o slim down wow person gaining weight no udi healthy food na ye store excess of the calories no na calorie no nipadua ni hia no wanya na biaka na da kogu bang no ye kese no na also o gaining weight eno interest kodi kosua bibiri normal person regular person ba ko to mienu a day is okay say oye macho man na obedi miensa to 9 a eno so you fine man kodi embroso but teaching way is to bring education very low to the layman ye ma memu nyina ante ase nti ye kasa aduane bi wona man ni a men church na me ye no pese o mote ase why not just telling them to stop e ba ne sa o an kasa betima hye o ho so a o mo ni to hu me page ya na wa like na wa share na akwa akiri na aduru o mo ho me the video no to at times no ma you sound na free me the minim ni anti of late me post bi on YouTube Yeboah Agyakum Francis o ko me page ni so on YouTube abetima ko subscribe eduru 10,000 subscribers and right now we are almost 7,000 eduru 10,000 na me the long form video me breaking ye with illustrations I'm at the make any na see ye oba Ghana me about medical scientist me a self-taught trichologist do wa pompa mapa abodi opese oguro me na me hwe na o to baba shop near man konwa hwehwe mirror ba bia kuma sin kran me na meton ni na akra me wo Center Maria Kumasi me wo adum fa me number send me WhatsApp message frɛ me na ba jibi nyame won sure no mo God bless you.